Brett's Truck Parts and all filters. Worst customer service under the sunlight. What sort of business screams at their customers just because they are making sure the part is the right one? The bloke answered the phone and was yelling, "What do you want? We are a company with 100 plus buses and they just lost a potential big customer. I ordered parts Thursday afternoon and received them Friday morning. What excellent. We'll definitely use this company again."
Sheep Parts. Good service. Huge range.
Good service and prices.
Cheapest around. Excellent quality.